If you search for cancer treatments today, you'll eventually find a list of financial orphans, drugs that cost pennies but are ignored by modern medicine. Millions of people are asking the same question: are these hidden miracles or dangerous false hope? Today, we investigate 3 controversial drugs: Fenbendazole, Metformin, and Ivermectin. We're going to separate the science from the hype. We're going to look at the mechanisms, the failed trials, and the one retracted study that changed everything. Let's look at the facts. Let's start with the benzimidazoles. You may know them as dog dewormers, but their human cousin, Mebendazole, has a fascinating story. Cancer cells divide rapidly by building an internal skeleton. Benzimidazoles work by destroying those structural beams. Without its skeleton, the building collapses. The cell dies. It sounds like the perfect treatment. But here is the critical difference. Fenbendazole is for animals. It's not designed for the human gut. To get enough into your blood, people are taking massive, dangerous doses. Mebendazole, however, is for humans. In clinical trials, it significantly extended survival for brain cancer patients. That is a massive signal. But be careful. Major studies claiming fenbendazole cures humans have been deleted for bad data. The human drug is the only safe bet. Next, we have metformin. It's cheap, safe, and used by millions. For years, we thought it might starve cancer cells of insulin. By lowering insulin, it cuts the fuel line to the tumor. It was a beautiful theory, but then we tested it. In a massive trial of over 3,000 patients, metformin failed to shrink tumors. It treats the host's metabolism, but not the cancer itself. For non-diabetics, the data shows no survival benefit. It's not the miracle treatment we hoped for. Finally, ivermectin. In a petri dish, it's a sniper blocking the pump's cancer cells used to resist chemotherapy. But there is a pharmacokinetic gap. To kill cancer like it does in the lab, you would need a concentration the size of this pool. A safe human dose? That's just this tiny glass. Crossing that gap would be toxic to the human brain. At those levels, it's a biological bullet we simply cannot fire safely. It's too dangerous for the human body. So why isn't Big Pharma funding these trials? It's not a conspiracy. It's a tragedy of economics. These drugs are off patent. If a company spends millions to prove they work, they can't patent them. Any generic company could sell them for pennies. This is the valley of death. Promising drugs die here because there is no return on investment. We are left relying on nonprofits. But grants and nonprofits move at a glacial pace compared to the speed of the pharmaceutical industry. Based on the evidence, mebendazole is the strongest candidate. Metformin is for prevention. Fenbendazole and ivermectin? High risk. These drugs are tools, not magic. But tools only work if you use them right. Don't be a cowboy. Be a scientist. Take the research linked below to your oncologist. Let the data guide you. I'm here if you have more questions.